Impervia herringbone has left and right-handed pieces. To identify these, put the tongue on the short end at the top. If the tongue on the long edge is on the left, it's a left-handed piece. Likewise, if the tongue on the long edge is on the right, it's a right-handed piece. For ease, we'll refer to left-handed pieces as A and right-handed pieces as B. Now that you have separated the A and B pieces, you can now fit the parquet. Start by placing an A piece in the bottom left corner of the room. Then slide a B piece under the top end of the A piece. Ensure the edges are lined up. Now place another A piece at the bottom of the long edge of the B you've just fitted. Again, ensure the edges line up. Repeat this process of A followed by B pieces until you have reached the end of the area you're fitting in. After you've fitted your first row, the pattern of installing the parquet changes. For the second row and all subsequent rows, you'll now fit the B pieces first. Then install the A pieces. Always work from left to right and ensure the edges line up. Continue working in this fashion to complete the area you're covering. Working left to right, one row at a time, always with the tongues facing away from you. Once you've inserted the top of the groove into the tongue, you can slide the boards into place. At times you'll find some joints do not sit quite flat. This can normally be corrected once the next piece is installed. However, you can always tap the area down using a rubber hammer or mallet. For more information on Impervia flooring, please visit impervia.co.uk. Thank you.